Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to be back presenting you guys with a modern and eclectic hearts and bowls table styling. So as you can see here, I am showing you some of the pieces that I plan on using in my table styling. So I just want you guys to just grab a drink, grab a snack, get in your comfy space in your home and sit back and relax as I create this modern and eclectic style bows and hearts table styling. So you guys, of course I was inspired by Valentine's. Due to my husband's accident, I wasn't able to really participate in all of the Valentine festivities. And with that being said, I want to thank Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma for supporting, for understanding, and just being there throughout with us during this time. Hubby is doing better, a lot better, but we still have quite a bit of a long road to go with his healing. But thank you all so much for the prayers. Those of you who sent text messages, who called, we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. So you guys, as you can already see here, I have placed down this black and white runner, and I have also layered it with a heart and bow designed runner. I felt like I wanted to do some layering here just to bring out our eclectic and modern style of the bows and the hearts here. Now, some of the things that you did see in the beginning that I will be using here is pieces for place setting. Also, I have pieces for a centerpiece as well too. And you're going to see the bows and the hearts throughout. Now, as you have noticed, I will not be using the typical sweetheart Valentine colors like the pinks and the reds. I have chosen to go a different route in creating this modern and eclectic bow and heart style table styling. I do want you to get the romantic and the feminine feel of this table styling. So I have decided to add some of the round gold placemats, and this setting is for 4. This is a table setting styled for 4, and you're going to see me placing napkins with the napkin rings on here as well too. And again, you're going to see the bow symbol and the heart symbol created throughout, creating a charming and romantic feel throughout this table styling. I will be adding bows to my wine glasses, and you will see the heart-shaped napkin rings that I plan on using as well too. And I also decided not to bring in florals because I felt like using the bows and the hearts would be, enough for this table styling. As you can see, I have the gold flower shaped charger plates here that I plan on using, and that's bringing in those gold elements throughout this table styling along with the gold placemats. So far, I think I am able to create the look that I do have in my mind. And those charger plates kind of give it like a vintage look here. And I decided to add a clear plate with black trimming. And it's very, very hard for you guys to see, but I do have bows on those plates. So they're created throughout the plates. And you're going to see the bows on the glass bow that I decided to add here as well too, to complete this place setting. So I am loving the bow plates here along with the added bows that you're going to see in just a second here. But the black trimming is really a cute touch, I think, to this modern eclectic table styling that I am presenting here with you on today. So far, everything is coming along beautifully. I am really bringing out the hearts and the bows throughout here. So this black, white, and gold color palette is really, it's delicate, it's feminine, it gives you that romantic feel with a little hint of vintage styling throughout. And as you can see, the little bows that are printed throughout the plate and the bowl set. And as you can see, there's that gold heart napkin ring here. And I just really used some kitchen towels and I just created a bow and decided to add the heart ring to it. I thought that was kind of clever to create here within this styling. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if this is your first time here, I welcome you with open arms. I appreciate your support. I also appreciate your thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And we are actually going to go right into our reveal. But I thought these kitchen towels was a perfect touch to create a bow style for this modern eclectic heart and bow table styling. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful reveal. So much for tuning in on today. I pray that you all enjoyed this video. I also pray that you're able to take something away from this video and enable to incorporate it in your home styling and your home designing. Please don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up and also leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below.